Hi all. This is the FXX practical that missing part. Okay, let's see. So first of all, as we discuss, so we are going to create three instances. Let me create the instances. So I'm going to choose this one. So I would like to open all the traffic. You can see all the instances here. Let me launch other two instances. So just make it to here. Let's choose this availabilities one. So this one is going to be our Active Directory machine. These are our client machine size. Say, let's connect this Active Directory machine. Say, you have to wait for some time. Okay, let's get the password. AD. This is CL1. Let's get CL2 as also. These are the machines and the password, guys. So meantime, download this file and put it to one separate folder, so that is easy for you. So just download this one. So CL2. CL1. This is active directory. So these things just download and put it to a folder, right? Then easy for you to connect. So let's connect to AD machine. This is the IP address. Just connect. What we can do is just connect from here. If you want, you can change the password as you wish, but meantime, I'm connecting like this. First configure the Active Directory, then configure the client. We have to assign the IP address manually. So command prompt and get the IPN as well. So you should have a static IP address. So right. So let me assign the IP address. So when you assign IP address, you might disconnect and connect. So here, just choose network interface, and assign that. One 172.31.80.12, and assign this also, and the gateway IP address 31.80.1, and the DNS server IP, just give the IP address. Now IP got assigned. Let me stop the firewall. Let me install the AD here. Here you can change the computer name, and we are going to change the computer name for our client machine. Say click add roles and features. Say next. Say choose the first option, role-based feature-based installation. Say next. Say Active Directory, Active Domain and Services. Choose this one. Right. Just leave as it is. Say next, and say install. Give me 1 second, guys. But still is installing the AD. Just close it, guys. So click here. You can promote this server as a domain controller. Choose this option and promote this as a domain controller. Say it should be New Forest. Say next. Right. So here, just give the restore password and all. Yes. So this is the databases log folder and syscall folder, right? Keep as it is, say next. So check the configuration guys, say then say next and finish it off. Right, say install. Stay close. It will restart once. Let's see whether we can connect. Wait, let's see. Meantime, prepare our client machine. Say CL1 and say something. Just restart and prepare client 2 also. say it should be client to so then let's connect to our AD server. We password every time. Let's configure, let's check the IP address. Say IPs are perfect. Thing is, we have to configure the DNS. So 172.30.80.12. Say let's close. Right now, configure the Active Directory. So yeah, we have already finished it off. Anyway, just see the Active Directory uh, users and computers. Say computers, you won't see any computers. We are going to connect our client with this one. So right, let's connect our client with this one. So meantime, get this IP address, that is, say go to CFT and get this AD IP address, IP config. So this is the AD IP address. Right. Right. So just type the IP here. Save 31, 80, 1. Now we know the AD IP address. So, let's go with our client machine and configure client. For instance, say this, let's choose this one. So this is IP address. So just go to this one, this client one. Right. Say just give the passwords. Now wait. Just check the IP address. Say 172.31.86.1. 172. Say and a gateway. Gateway is not here, so then we get the IP from here. .com. Say DNS server IP should be your Active Directory IP address. So we already got the AD IP address. 31.80.1. But see, okay. So surely you get disconnect and connect. You will be connected. So now it's fine. Now let's stop the firewall now. Now let's connect this one with our Active Directory machine. Right? Change to domain. Say domain name as aws.log. Say okay. Now you get this one, administrator, and the password to copy from here. This is the admin password of AD. See, you get the welcome message. Say you should get like this. That means it's connected, well connected. Say okay. Say okay. Now say close. Now restart. Right now, see, now it's going to restart. Once it restart, say if you go here, Active Directory users and computers, you can see this client machine, right? Say client machine is there, that means connected, right? Fine. Okay. Likewise, we are going to connect our client 2 also, right? Let me connect client 2, right? So let me connect client 2. Just in the login, just give the password. This is our client 2. Say we are going to connect same as client 1. Say, let's see here. Just configure the IP manually. So just place the IP address, just So just the DNS IP address. This is the DNS IP address. All right. Say okay. Right. So let me connect with our AD server. Okay. Right. Now, just AWS local. Say, let's see whether I can get the reason. Yes. Administrator and the password. Just copy and paste the password from here. Okay. Say everything perfect. Then you get the welcome message. Everything goes wrong, you won't get the you get the welcome message that means connected. Say okay. Say let's restart. Now let's restart this. Say now go to Active Directory machine and see. Now you can see if you refresh, you get other machine as well. Right. Say refresh, you get see client 2 also connected now. Right. Now see. Now guys, the client 1 is okay, client 2 is okay, our AD server also fine. Next one, we are going to configure the FXS part. Right. So if it is FXS, first of all, we are going to configure the security group, right? Then we are going to configure the FXS, right? Say, let me create a security group. Say for the this purpose, say security group. Just create a security group. Say FXX security group. Just put likes. Say description. Just say here you are going to define the VPC, which VPC we are deploying the security group and the FXS file system, right? And just put some rules. Say let me open all the rules. All traffic. So then I just open all the rules, inbound rules and outbound rules. Say now I have done the security group also the firewall part. Now guys, I'm going to configure the FXX. Right? Say just type FXS. You get the file system here. Say let's create file system. Right? So guys, we better go with this option. Say data mining and all, you can choose this or this. Right? So if this is the AD, so choose this one. Amazon FXS for Windows file server. Right? This, right. So then say next. Here file system name. Say just give the Windows FXX. And the deployment type, say, are we going to deploy in multi-availability zone or single availability zone? So, right. So let's choose single availability zone. So if it is a production, go with multi-availability zone. That means we are going to deploy this file system into multiple availability zone. AZ1, AZ2, likewise we can deploy. And the storage, this is the high-speed SSD. This one is HDD. So better go with SSD, right? So the size is 32 GB. Minimum, if you go with SSD, minimum hard drive size should be 32 GB bytes. Right. If it is HDD, say the size, the minimum size is this one, 2000 GB bytes. So since it's a minimum one, so we go with 32 GB bytes. Right. So throughput capacity and all keep as it is. Say if you want to go for special throughput, configure the special one. But now let's configure the VPC. So just configure the VPC and all. Right. So let's choose, this is the VPC, the default VPC. And the security group we have configured FXX security group. Say subnet, say let's go with this one. Thing is our Active Directory and the client machines are in this availability zone. So that's what I am choosing this. So next option is asking Amazon manage Microsoft Active Directory or the self-manage Active Directory. So guys, so we would like to go with self. Say if you go with first option, manage Microsoft Active Directory, then we have to make the separate payment for them. So, okay. To avoid that one, go with this option, self-manage Active Directory. Then you have to provide the domain, password, blah, blah, this. It's asking the domain, aws.localhost. And the DNS server IP address, we have to give the Active Directory IP address. This should be the DNS IP. So give the DNS IP. So then account name. So this is the account name and the password. Say let's choose the password here. So this is the password, guys. Say just put the password 2 times and confirm. This password must not serve. I wait. Say let's so the same password. So this one keep as it is. Encryption. So how about the encryption? So are we going to encrypt this traffic or not? Right. So that's what is asking. The better go with default one, right? Default encryption by Amazon. Right. So if you say next, it will take other, say if it is asking, it is asks us to check the configuration list. Say is everything fine? If you say create file system, it will take other 20 minutes time to complete the file system, right? Right. Say create file system, right? Say meantime, guys, we will take short meantime. We'll take a break and then come back. So then I just stop for the recording. Now see, so after 20 minutes, file system has been created. Right. Right. Now this is the file system we have created. You can say it's Windows, say you get available, right? Say in the is in single availability zone, SSID and these things, the storage capacity, blah blah things. Now see, say just choose this file system here, right? Say wait, just click this one, choose the file system and say attach. What you can do is just copy this one, right? Just copy this one and go to your client machine, right? Go to your client machine. Wait, let me get the client machine. Say this one. Say client machine. Say here when you log in, you have to log in this way, right? Say administrator at aws.log. Put like this and the password. That means you are going to log into AD server, right? That is the mean. Same thing goes to client 2 also. Just choose client 2. Administrator at aws.log. And the password. So it's perfect. So our clients are ready. So this is client 1. This is client, right? Now what you can do is say copy this one, copy this one, and go to client 1, go to command prompt and paste it. That's all. Right? Go to the command prompt. I click paste. So then you can map this particular folder map to Z drive. Right? Now say the command completed successfully. Right? Say same thing goes to client 2. CMD. Command completed successfully. This one is client 2. The one is client 1. So guys, it's done. Now what you can do is just go to the particular folder. Here you can see the Z drive, right? Right, you can see the Z drive here, right? Here just create a file, just create a test file or something. You can see the same file in this PC as well. Say go to the particular folder. Here you can see the test file. Say whatever you create here is replicate this for okay this machine as well. Say let me create another file here. Say test or something. Say you can see the same file in another PC. Okay, both are sharing the common folder, right? That's what is replicate, right? So this practical, you need the Active Directory environment. Then we can share the common application with other clients, right? So this is about FXX. So this is the missing part, guys. So just please go through. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Next class we will discuss. Okay. So guys, please go through and do the practicals. Right. Okay, guys.